Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. Alapatma welcomes you all to this experimental work based on the tales of none other than our dear Krishna. Alapatma was born from the simple thought, what if art didn't feel distant? What if it felt like something that you can just walk into, feel and connect without even knowing the vocabulary of it? With that thought, we present to you Akhilam Madhuram. Just sit back, relax, and let Krishna's stories unfold.
Adharam madhuram hridayam madhuram gamanam madhuram madhuradipade akhilam madhuram adharam madhuram vadanam madhuram nayanam madhuram hasitam madhuram adharam madhuram vadanam madhuram vachanam madhuram charitam madhuram vasanam madhuram balitam madhuram वेणुर् मधुरो रेणुर्मधुरः पाणिर्मधुरौ पादौ मधुरौ वेणुर्मधुरं हरणं मधुरं स्मरणं मधुरं हरणं मधुरं स्मरणं मधुरम् अखिलं मधुरम् अखिलं मधुरम् अखिलं मधुरं मधुरम्
Madhuram, the word sweet. When you have it in your mouth itself, there's something's very small, you have it in your mouth. If that can bring this kind of a happiness, think of Lord Krishna. Welcome to Akhilam Madhuram. Suddenly, there was a sound. Can you hear? And then a voice that said, "Hey Kamsa, the 8th son of your sister Devaki is going to be the cause of your end." And then came the night where the 8th baby was born, and that was Krishna. And then a voice, a divine voice. Vasudeva, take this child to Gokul, place him beside Yashoda, and bring back the baby girl born there. The river Yamuna was in spate too. As he stepped into the waters, the river parted, making way, protected and guided by Adishesha, until he reached Gokul. The doors closed, chains returned, and everything was as it is. And then the cry of the baby. Kamsa heard it. As Kamsa lifted the baby to end it, the child slipped from his hands and rose into the sky and appeared in her true form. Goddess Lakshmi, radiant and powerful. She said, "Kamsa, you fool! The one who will end has already been born." And with that, she disappears, leaving Kamsa in fear. Suddenly, the people of Gokul started feeling something strange. A lot more of love, a lot more of laughter, a lot more of happiness. A small baby is born in a new place, and the village is celebrating. Ma Yashoda is overjoyed to see her little Krishna. There is a lot of celebration happening. Do you all want to come and check it out? I'm so curious to know. Do you want to come? Let's go.
कम्बुशुभग्रीव अम्बुजलोचन कम्बुशुभग्रीव बिम्बादर चन्द्रबिम्बानना चाम्बेयनासाग्र लग्नसुमौक्तिक चाम्बेयनासाग्र लग्नसुमौक्तिक शारदचन्द्र जनितमदना यादव कृष्ण यदुकुल कृष्ण माधव मामव सरि सत् सरि सत् सरि सत् सरि
That
सत् सरि
wretched
म सरि
child.
म सरि म सरि
Where could he be? My guards checked everywhere. Now I'm sure he is not in Mathura. He must be in Gokul. No, I will not allow it. I am Kamsa, the king of Mathura, and I'm not afraid of anyone. What just happened? Who was that? That was King Kamsa from Mathura. Is he still scared of a tiny little baby? King Kamsa was so cruel that he decided to kill him. So he asked his Rakshasi, Putana, to come. Putana is a very wicked, treacherous, and feared by all Rakshasi. She knew all sorts of spells to do black magic. So she, when Kamsa told, go find the kid and kill her, she took a form of a very beautiful lady. Wore fine clothes, adorned with jewelry. She walks into Gokul so that nobody finds out what her true self is. And then she decides to poison the little baby with her milk.
Sariga 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 ma sariga ma 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 ga 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 ma 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 ga 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 ma ga ma ga ma 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 sariga ma pa ma o tana சின்ன கண்ணன் என்ன செய்தான் தெரியுமா சின்ன கண்ணன் என்ன செய்தான் தெரியுமா அவன் செய்த லீலை சொல்லி நடக்க முடியுமா புரியுமா சின்ன கண்ணன் என்ன செய்தான் தெரியுமா அவன் செய்த லீலை சொல்லி நடக்க முடியுமா புரியுமா தாம் ததீம் தஜனுதீம் ததீ ஜனு ஜனு ததிமி தரிக்கிட்ட கொக்கும் தரிக்கிட்ட ததிமினதோ சின்ன கண்ணன் என்ன செய்தான் தெரியுமா அவன் செய்த லீலை சொல்லி நடக்க முடியுமா புரியுமா சின்ன கண்ணன் என்ன செய்தான் தெரியுமா
Karna kept growing day by day, and Kamsa's fear was also growing. And then one day, the villagers of Gokul decided that Gokul is no longer safe for us. They reached this beautiful place called Vrindavan, where the forest, it was much more greener. It seemed like the place was meant just for Krishna. The beauty was so nice. Krishna seems to love it. Lord of flowers, creepers, smells so good.
जमुना रे वही सुंदर आते नीर भरे आते नीर भरे हरे
one fine day, they found a very new spot right on the banks of river Yamuna. But there was something wrong. The water didn't seem nice. The smell of the air wasn't good. Krishna suspected there was something wrong. He knew there was something in the water, and he decided to jump into the water.
तामिततज्जं तकतज्जं तकदिगतज्जं तां तामिततज्जं तकतज्जं तकदिगतज्जं तां तामिततज्जं तकतज्जं तकदिगतज्जं तां तामिततज्जं तकतज्जं तकदिगतज्जं तां नीलमनोहरजालविभूषणनिरतचलञ्चलभुजङ्गनर्त नीरजतटाक अधिक मृदुलपद निकटतरङ्ग तुङ्गताडङ्ग नृत्यक नृत्यकता विजयी पवनन्द कुमार व्रज जन परमानन्द किशोर कलिङ्ग नटनानन्द गम्भीर करुणारसयुग भावशरी तदीप्तदां तदीप्तदां तदी वृंदावन के नंद गोपाल वृंदावन के नंद गोपाल मुरली मनोहर गोपाल मुरली मनोहर गोपाल केशव माधव गोविंद विठल ഇത്ര ഒച്ചയുള്ളൂ ഇത്രയും പേര് പാടിയിട്ട് രാധേ ഗോവിന്ദ ഗോപാല കുറച്ചുകൂടെ ആരോഗ്യമാവാട്ടോ ഒന്നുകൂടെ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് इन्नी फास्ट आम वृंदावन के नंद गोपाल वृंदावन के नंद गोपाल मुरली मनोहर गोपाल मुरली मनोहर गोपाल केशव
Stop! Stop! I can feel it. I can feel his power here. That little child is alive. Akrura! That was Kamsa. He is in fear. His messenger Akrura to call Krishna and bring him to Mathura. I want Krishna here. At the same time, Kamsa is also preparing the whole place so that Krishna does not even enter near him. He is that scared. This child is no ordinary. Now he is face to face with Kamsa. And that was it. The end of Kamsa. He goes off to call his parents who are still there in the prison. Devaki and Vasudeva. Krishna spreads his sweetness everywhere, and this is Akhilam Maduram.
Krishna Akhilam Madhuram Krishna वृंदावन के नंद गोपाल वृंदावन के नंद गोपाल मुरली मनोहर गोपाल मुरली मनोहर गोपाल केशव माधव गोविंद विठल ഇത്ര ഒച്ചയുള്ളൂ ഇത്രയും പേര് പാടിയിട്ട് രാധേ ഗോവിന്ദ ഗോപാല കുറച്ചുകൂടെ ആരോഗ്യമാവാട്ടോ ഒന്നുകൂടെ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് वृंदावन के नंद गोपाल वृंदावन के नंद गोपाल मुरली मनोहर गोपाल എനിക്ക് എല്ലാവരെയും കാണാട്ടോ ഇവിടെ ഇരുന്നിട്ട് പാടാത്തവരെ ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് വിളിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. കേശവ മാധവ ഗോവിന്ദ വിഠല